How to use Gmail tabs with IMAP. Is there any way to apply an IMAP label to only the messages under the primary tab in my Gmail? I'd like to use a console-based email client like Mutt or gnus or Wanderlust to reply to messages, but I only want to see messages which Gmail has filtered into the primary tab.
Unfortunately, Gmail doesn't expose its categories to IMAP. I'm using mail.app as my email client, and I had the same desire to have my mail categorized with Gmail's Bayesian or whatever classifiers, so I found a fix. This workaround uses filters to automatically apply labels to categories. Once labeled the old-fashioned way, they can then be exposed to IMAP. Create a new filter via gmail/settings/filters. Enter category column primary in the has the words field and click create filter with this search. Check apply a label to this filter and create the filter. Expose the filter to IMAP via gmail/settings/labels. This will link up your Gmail categories to your mail.app. Original post by Dylan Conlon in 2014.
I know this is an old thread, but I wanted to do almost the same thing. I actually just wanted to have my IMAP client fetch all messages except the ones that Google placed on the Promotions tab, and came up with this approach. I set up a filter for the messages that I do not want to retrieve by IMAP. My search is category column promotions, and chose skip inbox as the action of that filter. I also checked the settings on the settings column labels page to make sure that all mail was not marked as show in IMAP. This means that these messages are never available for my IMAP client to download. The minor drawback is that the Promotions tab is always empty, but if for some bizarre reason I want to see what is in there, I can do a search on the category. The messages are still available. You can even set up the labels in the sidebar to give you access to the Promotions messages if you want. Hope this helps someone.
The problem is categories are not labels, the things that everything else calls folders. My solution was to create a label, i.e. social folder. Create a filter that moves emails from social media into both the category social and the label social folder. You can now see the stuff that was in the social category in the social folder.
If you are stuck in getting category emails and do not want to apply above solutions, Gmail IMAP API provides support for category messages in a certain category. See this URL.
If you want to support